In the realm of superfoods, walnuts stand tall as a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a plethora of health benefits packed within their small, crunchy shells. From enhancing brain function to promoting heart health, walnuts have earned their status as a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Let's delve into the remarkable health benefits of walnuts that make them a secret weapon for overall wellness. Brain-boosting abilities. Walnuts are renowned for their brain-boosting properties, thanks to their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These essential fatty acids are vital for maintaining optimal brain function, supporting cognitive abilities, and even potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can help sharpen your focus, enhance memory, and support overall brain health. Heart health. One of the most well-documented benefits of walnuts is their ability to promote heart health. Packed with heart-healthy nutrients such as antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant sterols, walnuts can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel function, and decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease. Adding a handful of walnuts to your daily diet can be a delicious way to support your heart and vascular system. Antioxidant powerhouse. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants, including polyphenols, vitamin E, and melatonin, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These powerful compounds protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer, diabetes, and inflammatory conditions. Including walnuts in your diet can bolster your body's defenses against oxidative damage and support overall health and longevity. Weight management. Despite their relatively high calorie and fat content, walnuts can actually aid in weight management when consumed in moderation. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in walnuts helps promote satiety, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Additionally, the nutrients found in walnuts may help regulate appetite hormones, leading to reduced calorie intake and better weight control. Snacking on a handful of walnuts between meals can help curb cravings and support your weight loss goals. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. In addition to their impressive array of health-promoting compounds, walnuts are also a nutrient-rich powerhouse, providing an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of copper, manganese, magnesium, and biotin, as well as a good source of protein, fiber, and vitamin E. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can help ensure you're meeting your daily nutrient needs and supporting overall health and vitality. Versatile and delicious. One of the best things about walnuts is their versatility in the kitchen. Whether sprinkled over salads, added to baked goods, blended into smoothies, or simply enjoyed on their own as a satisfying snack, walnuts can easily be incorporated into a variety of dishes to add flavor, texture, and nutritional value. Experiment with different recipes and creative ways to incorporate walnuts into your meals to reap their numerous health benefits while tantalizing your taste buds. Tips for incorporating walnuts into your diet. Now that we've explored the incredible health benefits of walnuts, let's discuss some practical ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. Snack smart. Keep a stash of walnuts handy for when hunger strikes between meals. A handful of walnuts makes for a satisfying and nutritious snack that will keep you energized throughout the day. Add crunch to salads. Sprinkle chopped walnuts over salads for an added crunch and nutty flavor. They pair well with leafy greens, fruits, and cheese, creating a delicious and nutritious salad that's bursting with flavor. Boost your breakfast. Stir chopped walnuts into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls for a nutritious and filling breakfast option. The protein, fiber, and healthy fats in walnuts will help keep you full until lunchtime. Bake with walnuts. Incorporate walnuts into your favorite baked goods, such as muffins, cookies, and bread. Chopped walnuts add texture and nutty flavor to baked treats while providing a nutrient boost. Make nut butter. Blend walnuts in a food processor until creamy to make homemade walnut butter. Enjoy it spread on toast, drizzled over fruit, or used as a dip for veggies. Top your dishes. Use walnuts as a garnish for savory dishes, such as pasta, roasted vegetables, or grilled chicken. Toasted walnuts add depth of flavor and a satisfying crunch to savory meals. Create trail mix. Mix walnuts with dried fruits, seeds, and dark chocolate chips to create a homemade trail mix that's perfect for snacking on the go. It's a portable and nutritious option for fueling your adventures. Blend into sauces. Add walnuts to sauces and dressings for added creaminess and richness. Blend walnuts with herbs, garlic, and olive oil to create a flavorful pesto sauce or creamy walnut dressing for salads. By incorporating walnuts into your daily diet in creative and delicious ways, you can harness their extraordinary health benefits and support your overall well-being. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them over meals, or use them as a versatile ingredient in recipes, walnuts are truly a secret weapon for achieving optimal health and vitality. Embrace the power of walnuts and let them fuel your journey to a healthier, happier you. Walnuts are indeed a health secret weapon, offering a wide range of benefits for both brain and body. From boosting brain function and supporting heart health, to providing antioxidant protection and aiding in weight management, walnuts are a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in any well-balanced diet. So, the next time you're looking for a nutritious snack or ingredient to elevate your meals, reach for a handful of walnuts and harness the extraordinary health benefits they have to offer. Your body and mind will thank you for it.